Let's make the Latin version of a macaroon. Come on, let's get started.
Todo queda sabroso.
Well, nothing says the holidays like cookies. And today we're making a coconut cookie called Cocadas. Come on, let's get into it. Okay, so I have two bowls here because we're doing two different flavors. I'll be using half dried coconut and half freshly grated. The dried is going to give me that crunchy exterior, but the fresh is going to make this cookie nice and chewy. I bought this at my local Hispanic grocery store and it comes frozen. So I'm going to drain it in a bowl filled with paper towels so I can suck up any extra moisture. I'll cover it up and add a plate on top and weigh it down to help extract that moisture. Now to each bowl I'm adding 1 whole egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. Now comes the sweeteners. To the first bowl, I'm adding 3/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk. To the second bowl, I'm adding a sugarcane syrup that I made by combining half a cup of water with 8 ounces of brown sugarcane called Piloncillo. Cook that down until it becomes a syrup. Add 3/4 cup of that Piloncillo syrup. Then begin to mix both mixtures until thoroughly combined. The mixture will be wet, but don't worry, because now we're adding the dried coconut. 1 cup at a time, because we're looking for the perfect consistency. Mix to incorporate. Then add 1 more cup. I'm switching to a spoon for that final mix. Now this is the consistency that you want. Now do the same with the first bowl. Line a cookie sheet with parchment paper and begin to scoop 2 ounces of the cocadas onto the cookie sheet. This recipe makes about 36 cookies in total. Place in the preheated 325-degree oven for 25 minutes and they should come out looking like this. Beautiful. Let's take a bite. That middle, that center is nice and chewy, but the outside is nice and crispy. Now let's try the one with the piloncillo, the cane sugar. The aroma, you can smell that cane sugar as soon as you put it to your nose. The caramelization that happens, especially on the bottom. A truly unique flavor. Sabroso.